I'm literally in the middle of cooking right now. I know it's all over the place and I look a hot mess because I'm cooking my meal prep. And I was like, I should show y'all this because I just should, because that's just the right thing to do. So anyways, yeah, I look a hot mess. But I literally like this is like spare them. Sound like somebody was not gonna know, that kind of freaked me out. Actually, so I tried something a little different. I literally put just 3 eggs in and like the egg whites all together. And this was not a smart idea because it needs to be flipped and it's kind of hard to do. So I would not recommend this. I'm gonna kind of put it down so y'all can see the struggle bus that I'm on right now. Trying to get this out because I like cooked it all. And I told y'all that I don't use that like Pam spray anymore. So it's kind of hard. This is a non-stick pan, but I'm having a lot of difficulties. So I'm just gonna flip it. Y'all probably like, what in the world? Maybe I should break this piece up. Okay, flip it. Oh, I broke the yolk. Damn. Okay, so yeah, let's put this back up. Whoo, right in the face. I look so rough. So that's just 3 whole eggs, and then I just poured egg whites in it. I should have probably showed you how it looked before because it would make more sense, but like I said, I just randomly was like, let me record this. So but anyways, I'm about to, these are Jenny O turkey sausage, and they're the spicy kind. You know what, guys, if y'all ever have haters in y'all lives, don't let your haters keep you down, okay? Don't let your haters keep you down, guys. Stay above the haters. These are the haters. This is you. Remember that. Remember that. But anyways, my camera is literally like dying on me. But so I'm going to cook these, and so I'm going to have this for breakfast. I only do 3 days in a row because I kind of get bored of eating the same thing over and over again. Let me get some containers out. Oh, look at my containers. Isn't this like psychotic? I know, it's a lot. I'm gonna zoom in when I actually edit it. It's a lot of containers. I don't even know why I own this many containers. It's quite sticky. Like, look at all that. It's a lot. But I'm obsessed with like big containers, so yeah. So I'm just gonna take the 3 pieces and just throw them in here. It's supposed to be like an egg yolk with each one, but not really looking too proportionate. I was gonna use this same pot again, but it's like, so let me put this down so y'all can see what I'm doing here. I'm literally just opening this up, and I'm just gonna, like, my hands are clean, I'm just gonna take like a chunk and just put it in here. And you don't need to put oil in the pan because the meat, it makes its own juices, so you don't need to, it's not gonna really stick. This is kind of messy. And just let that cook. I'm gonna put the rest of this in a plastic bag. So I can bring y'all back up here. Let me just get a plastic bag real fast. I can find one. Oh, there we go. I like to put everything in a plastic bag, even though it's like already in a container, just so I can ensure that doesn't go old. That in the refrigerator. And for lunch, I'm gonna have, like I said, I only do 3 days in advance, but I got these because I just really didn't feel like cooking this week. So I have 3 different salads. They're $2.50 a piece if you live in Texas at HEB. This is Caesar salad. This one is Fiesta, and this one's Cobb. This one's really good. The only thing that I don't like about this is they have iceberg lettuce. So sometimes I'll mix in some of my regular like spinach lettuce, but I'm probably not gonna do that because I'm probably gonna be running in the morning. So yeah, guys, so yeah, I have the salads, and so I decided that every morning for the next 2 months, I'm going to be wake up 6:30 in the morning, run, like do like a high intensity like run for 15 minutes. Oh Lord, just thinking about it's already got me stressed because I'm not a morning person, first off, and but I'm not about to walk across that stage looking like a biggin', like. She has to be snapped. Oh yeah, this is cooking. You see how it's making so much of its own oil? Look at this smoke. You don't even need like to put anything in there. And then I'm gonna have a protein shake, because I remember when I was drinking like a protein shake a day, I was really leaning out a lot faster. So this is my chocolate protein shake. Well, I'm just gonna take one with me to school in case I get hungry. But definitely invest in a good protein shake, because I really start to see like my stomach leaning out from this. And then for dinner, I'm just gonna have some type of protein and a vegetable. I have these really cute. Let me show you guys. I'm like all over the place because I did not think I was gonna record. But again, if you live in Texas, HEB has like microwavable vegetables. So this is asparagus and broccolini. I prefer broccolini over broccoli, but it's both the same. And then yeah, that's that. The meat is pretty much cooked. It's actually not a lot. It's less than I thought it was gonna be. So, we'll see. Put some of those in there. And the rest in here. It smells so delicious. I literally already ate, so I'm not like hungry, but that smells delicious. Let's turn the fire off. And then, oh, I do have one more thing to show you guys. This is like my little healthy snack bin. But let me put it down so you can kind of see in here. These, I always take one of these with me. They're like the oat, it's not focusing. They're the oat mega bars. So delicious. If you, actually let me show you on my face. So if you really like Girl Scout cookies, the Thin Mints, this is a good alternative. It tastes exactly the same, but like 10 times healthier. It's a protein bar, so yeah. And I have like some 100-calorie packs, some raisins. So I'll just take like one thing from here and an apple for some fruit in case I get hungry. And yeah, that is all. This is what my like my meal prep for lunch looks like. I mean for breakfast, not lunch. And yeah, oh, and I got this tea. It is a ginger tea because I saw this girl say like it's good to drink ginger tea. So I'm gonna try that. It's probably gonna be disgusting and I probably won't stick to it. So yeah. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to show you guys that real fast. I know it was a hot mess of a video, but you know, this is real life. This is me, you know. We're not perfect at all times. Well, at least I'm not. So yeah, yeah, I think that's everything. If I forgot something, I'll just make another video or like leave it in the comments. But you guys have an awesome week and I will see you guys later because I'm actually going to be recording a lot this week. So bye.